let to marry. Ochadule beka wono. Jehovah obande. Awochikamalo. Otoba gagu. Akitakbanehi. Agabaitu. How excellent is your name. Otoba gagu. Adakalo duduwe. Ochadule beka wono. How excellent is your name. How excellent is your name. Maya kofena Maredo shanana Hayenemo mane mananama Hayelanamo shinana Marino na 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 Rananana Yahweh, where would I be if not for you? That's why I sing Yahweh, I worship you. Yahweh, where would I be if not for you? That's why I sing Yahweh, I worship you. Yahweh, where would I be if not for you? That's why I sing Yahweh, I worship you. Yahweh, where would I be if not for you? That's why I sing, oh, Yahweh, I worship you. Yahweh, where would I be if not for you? That's why I sing Yahweh, I worship you. That's a hand. Hold on, son. There's a hand that came for you. And say everything God has been doing with you is rehearsal. It's a belt up. I'm about to take you to another level. A journey is beginning for you. Let me explain so that you understand. God's servant, I was singing same song that God gave me many years ago.